These photos show the initial state of my hair before I had tried anything. I moved to Los Angeles and was taking small acting gigs, so I wanted more versatility in my hair. When I tried to grow it out, this is what I found. I knew my hair was thinning, but I had no idea that my hair was in this state because I spent my entire life just shaving it off. To me, this level of hair loss represented an issue with my health and my hormones. In 2017, I started throwing what I could at my hair loss. I was doing scalp massages, essential oils. I dermarolled very rarely. It was just too painful for me at the time. I went online and got a subscription for dutasteride. I only took it for 3 months, which looking back was a mistake. There's no way I could see results from it in 3 months. So I did try again, and that's what these photos show. This is the terrible regrowth I got from using dutasteride from January 2020 to January of 2021. And after this, I gave up for about a year. In March of 2022, I decided to go all in on dermarolling towards the end of the pandemic. I dermarolled every day for an entire month using a 0.5mm derm roller, and that's when I was like, maybe I'm onto something. After the initial success, I kept derm rolling every day for 90 days, and that's what these photos show. The progress I got derm rolling daily on each section of my hair. I derm rolled daily, but I kept my pressure low and made sure to keep things clean. I got a lot of pushback for derm rolling daily, but it worked. This is the top front or crown of my hair after derm rolling daily for 8 weeks. These photos are my crown area showing progress at 5 weeks all the way to 10 weeks. Here's the progress of just my left temple. It made an amazing recovery. This particular temple still maintains today, only getting thin but never bald if I stop upkeep. And finally, the results after derm rolling daily for another 60 days. By now, my scalp had adjusted to the process and the pain was non-existent. In July, I continued to see just crazy regrowth. I had contemplated using minoxidil just to push my gains further, but it wasn't necessary. I did feel like I needed a DHT blocker, so I decided to try out coffee after reading a few studies done by the NIH. These results show continuous derm rolling, essential oils, and using coffee as a DHT blocker. I still have some thinning around my hairline, but if my hair grows out, you can't really see it. My hair went through periods of shedding, but would recover. I just had to make sure that it was moisturized to avoid any unnecessary breakage. Now, a lot of people kept saying, how did I know it was just dermarolling and not the essential oils or coffee? Perhaps it was leftover remnants of dutasteride, which I doubt. I hadn't used dutasteride in a year. I also used minoxidil sparingly in my first month, and my first month only. So I decided to shave my head down and focus just on dermarolling alone. My hair struggled to grow without anything but dermarolling. I would eventually find out that essential oils and natural DHT blockers thicken the hair, while dermarolling provided the initial stimulation to get the hairs growing again. If you're wondering what those tiny holes are above my ears, I was actually born with them. They are called preauricular pits. They occur in about 1 out of every 10,000 births, and some scientists speculate that they are genetic remnants of gills from when our species was less evolved and inhabited the ocean. I did notice that my scalp was very loose from previous derm rolling. I could actually move my scalp without touching it, and I could also move my ears without touching them. And these are my hair growth results of just doing nothing but derm rolling. You can't see because my hairs are miniaturized, but they're still growing. At the start of 2023, I resumed using essential oils and coffee. I also added ketoconazole shampoo consistently to my routine, and these photos show how my hair recovered after incorporating these things into my journey. In 2024, I experienced some shedding, but things would thicken back up within a few months. In 2025, I tried using essential oils only, and they did well to thicken my miniaturized hair, but there was no regrowth of new hair follicles. The interplay of using a derma roller to restart dormant hair follicles and then using products to thicken those hair follicles still plays out. This is my hair uncombed, fresh in the morning, around the middle of this year. Some of the photos are flipped around and show various angles, but hopefully you get the picture. And this is my hair today as I record this video. I'm currently using this derma roller, an oil mixture, and Nizoral shampoo. If you want to see my hair regrowth journey step by step, check out the playlist on the left. If you want to see exactly how I make my hair regrowth oil, then the video on the right is for you.